Hey guys, welcome to Drawing with Jackson and Dad. I'm Dad, otherwise known as Greg, and I'm going to draw something for you today without Jackson because he's not home from school yet, and then we're going to get together and we're going to draw some stuff together. What could I draw? How about a boat? Being that it's summer and people are going to be out on their boats, let's draw a boat. All right, so let me get myself centered up here. Because I'm normally on the left side and Jackson's normally on the right side. So I'm going to draw a boat, okay? Okay, I'm going to start with a line that goes from about here to about here. You can put those dots in there if you want. I'm going to drop it down just like that. So that's the first line. It almost looks like a happy face. And then I'm going to come down and draw a line like that. All right. And the next line is going to be the back of the boat. And that's going to kind of go straight down. Notice I didn't go all the way to the point where this is, but you can if you want, doesn't matter. Next part of the boat's going to be the glass window. And I'm just going to make that curve down just like that. Next part of the boat is going to be the steering wheel. So we'll put that in. The steering wheel sits on a dashboard. It looks kind of like that. And then we're going to add a steering wheel. There's the steering wheel. Now, normally on the front of boats you have like a little railing that you can hold on to if you're sitting up in the front. I'm going to put a little railing that runs just like that. And then there's another little couple lines that hold the railing on. Now the next part is the engine. And I'm going to put the engine kind of like this. It looks like a box. It goes up, over, down, and down. Just like that. And then I'm going to run another part just like that. That goes down to the propeller. Okay, so now we have our boat, and it's got to sit on what? What is it? What do boats normally sit on? Trailers? Water? Water. So I'm going to just add some water to there. And then we're going to have the boat moving. So I'm going to have it from there. I'm going to have it making some splashy splashes here. And then I'm going to run it just like that. So notice I kind of had to come up to meet the back of the boat and back down. And now I'm going to just dress it up a little bit and put some little stripes on the back engine here. And then maybe something like, oh gosh, what would be on the side of a boat? Normally you have those nice vinyl pinstripings, or you can have a flame or some fancy racing stripes. But in this case, I think I'm going to do some like lightning type bolts here. Kind of give it an appearance of being maybe a racing boat. I don't know. And what else can we do? Maybe put a driver in there, because the boat's moving, right? It's moving by itself, so we need to have it moving with a driver. So for the driver, I think I'm just going to put a big head cartoon guy. So we'll start with a circle. I'm going to put him right up there. And I'm going to give him a nose. And I'm going to give him I think I'll give him two eyes like this. And maybe a smiley face, because he's happy he's out on the water. And how about some hair that's flying backwards because he's going so fast. And then maybe he would be holding on. We got to give him a body. So if you guys are fallen behind. All you have to do is pause it and go back to where you fell behind. So I'm gonna, for his body, I'm gonna do a like a little body like this, and just to show that he has an arm, I'm gonna put another line right there. Now he's really moving along. So what else could we put in here that would make it look kind of neat? How about, oh gosh, we could have him, we could put like maybe some shoreline in the background. So I'm gonna draw some like little hills, just like that. And I think I'll leave it just like that. So I'm gonna color it in. It's gonna go super fast because I'm gonna speed up everything into fast motion. But I think I'll start with that lightning bolt. And I think I'd like to have the lightning bolt be kind of like a light blue. And anyways, here we go. Okay, so we're about finished. I'm just gonna add a little more detail to the water by having some, maybe some directional little waves coming off of the boat like that. Now you guys can add other stuff if you want. If you want to put a sun in there, you could do that. If you want to put some birds flying around, you can put some fish down in the water. That's all up to you. So until next time, thanks for joining Jackson and Dad, but Dad by himself, for this boat drawing. See you next time.